Howdy, howdy, let's get rowdy. Today we're going straight up walls just to turn around and go straight back down them. Here's Forrest and his rear steer Sammy searching for traction with his front and rear tires to go up this obstacle in a crawl. Here's Virgil in his Toyota-based Rock Lizard chassis attempting to crawl the same line in a drag axle. And is able to pull it off due to his rig being very lightweight and great driver skills. Last up is myself in the wrecked gear rear steer Jeep, giving it the skinny pedal approach for dramatic effect.
That was aggressive and I liked it.
Have you ever gone down a dirt road and see someone toss a can or something fly out of their vehicle? Ever wonder where it ends up? Well, after rainstorms, washes like these can accumulate trash quickly. Most off-roaders like us take the time to pick up what we can and keep the outdoors the way they should be.
Oh, it still works!
Woo! Suntan!
It works. Are you letting me put it in? Oh, thanks. Aww. Thank you. What had happened?
Every time.
Ah! Go ahead, my babe.
This is like the Australia of the United States.
It really is, yeah.
That's a cow killer. One of the most poisonous things out here.
Oh, shit.
Remember the ant?
Red butt?
This little red butt ant is one of the most poisonous things in Arizona. It's a cow killer. If a cow eats one, it'll kill it. It's how much poison is in it.
That's right, this little cute furry looking ant is actually called a cow killer and is in fact a wingless wasp that sting is rumored to be strong enough to kill cattle.
Followed my purse and got run over and not even broken. Bronson just shook his booty for us. That doesn't make you want to like this video and subscribe to our channel? I don't know what will. Oh my god, giant centipede.
What? Holy shit.
Centipede.
Holy shit, that is huge.
Giant centipede!
looks like. You look like an alien, literally. That does not look like it's from this planet.
Oh my god. Oh, it makes me cringe.
That's a pretty big one.
That's a huge one.
Gonna get away. Hurry, Forrest, he's gonna attack us.
Holy shit.
Just gonna loop the dip here for a second.
You know we all need to.
I was just telling you about the Hawaiian centipedes. We get foot-long ones like that.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
No.
Marvin, what are you gonna do?
I don't know. This looks like dinner. Arizona people say it tastes like chicken, probably.
Oh, I've never seen one that big. He's insane. Look at that. Dude, he's got like armor.
Yeah, he does.
Woo! Made it a party.
Fuck, that's a big one.
Yeah.
In Hawaii, that's normal.
What?
They're poisonous. They're fucking, your shit'll swell up
Like,
tight.
I'm not really like, I'm not too freaked out about like insects and whatnot, but if that would be my bed, I'd be like
Dude.
on the ceiling, Spider-Man. Like.
Scorpions? Scorpions don't scare me, but centipedes?
Oh, centipedes are disgusting. What?
Lube your diff. Lube your diff.
Stupid. Why didn't I think of that?
Babe, there's a giant centipede over here.
Massive?
Yeah,
Dude, I
massive.
love when we get critters in our crawl films, dude. It's cool, like we're doing stupid shit, and then you're like, what is that? It's disgusting.
Yeah.
Trail mix. Dang, I didn't even see that.
Marvin's
Yeah,
picking
buddy.
up trash.
Of course.
State to state, baby.
Tread lightly.
That's a no-no.
Garbage man. Here to pick up the trash. Or other people's.
Other people's trash.
Can you help me out with that one? Thanks, bud. Yeah, buddy. Make sure to check out Marvin's channel. It's called Flex, Rocks, and Rollovers. You know our channel, you most likely know his, but check it out. Dude's super cool. They do super awesome off-road content. They have it coming out just as consistently, if not more consistently than we do. So give him a check out, like his videos, subscribe to his channel, and thanks. How am I supposed to walk down this? On my butt. Wish me luck. Woo! I did it. I almost missed that.
Oh no, more trash! Come on! Picking up the trail, my man.
Oh, these hobo gloves. Nice.
Little lizard. Oh, he jumped.
Big thanks to AXEL Off-Road Helmets for supporting what we do and our safety. Best way to support the channel is to give the subscribe button a little skiddly-doo, give the video a like, and make sure to diddle the notification bell to get notified for future content.